So if there is something missing. Alright guys, so this is Windows 8 being installed on my VirtualBox virtual machine. I have already mentioned all the steps in my blog how to install VirtualBox virtualization environment, which is from Oracle, and I believe it is the free, so you can download and install it there. And I tried before installing Windows 8 developer preview. Before installing on the VirtualBox environment, I tried installing on VMware ESXi and VMware client, but I haven't got any success. It complains lots of different errors. So now I'm trying to install it on VirtualBox environment so that I can put this video for anybody who is interested to install it. Okay, now it is restarting. There is option to restart, so let's restart and see what is going on. Okay, so it's starting. Let's change it to full screen. Can we do it on full screen? Okay, very sleek layout. I'm expecting that it will ask me for my live account or something to create the user, because Windows 8 works on the basis of your live account, and it connects yourself and pull all the information from the live account profile. So let's see what's going on. Now it is preparing. I think the actual installation might be much more faster and better than this one which I'm preparing for the video, because I'm installing this inside a virtual machine which has got limited resources, and I mean, if this will be installed on a physical machine with properly configured hardware, like 4 GB of memory, and the i5 processor or something like that, then there would not be anything shared with the other processor. So this must be very faster experience. And I'm thinking, it is my assumption that the way it is behaving, and get allowing you to use the apps and all, so this must be very faster experience, because most of the apps are very lightweight and doesn't require lots of memory and resources. So the device is ready, and anytime it can ask for the password, user ID and password. So let's see. Okay, it is restarting the PC again, which is virtual machine basically. So Oracle VirtualBox. Interesting. The busy indicator is also different kind of, and looks cool. Right, so most of the things are there. Probably it is creating the data connection. I did mention that it might take some time to prepare the machine, so let's pause the video to save some space. Okay, so this is the license term. License terms says make the lawyers happy by reading this carefully. There won't be a quiz later. Okay, so this is not the useful thing. This is just the, you know, disclaimer kind of thing that just to ensure that you know what you are using and all. So accepting the license term and accept, and here you come. Yeah, ask for a couple of things like Windows name and all. So let me put this the full screen first, then type something. I mean Windows 8 preview, and the next, that is the setting, and you can see the express setting and customize. So what are these? Okay, express setting is something, check online for solution for problem and things like that. Let's see what is there in the customize, because developers always want to, you know, opt for this option. Yes, share and connect. So connect the network, automatically install the updates, everything is on, metadata and device app for the devices. So you can notice this, I mean, it talks about the devices and all, but it doesn't talk about the computer and all. So basically this looks like that this is going to be one OS for Windows phone and everything. Okay, all right, couple of options, everything is on. Online solution for problem, that is on, and it is in gray, so you can't remove this. Okay, error reporting is by default on, it's in gray color. And okay, next one, log on. So this is something which I was talking about. So it is asking for your live email address. Let me put this. Okay, it's trying to connect to internet. Looks like that it is connected because the title says that enter your password, or probably it is still communicating. Okay, that's done. So let me put my password. Oh, the enter doesn't work, so there is no default. More secure. There is no option to do the mistake creating your account, you can see. So basically it is configuring your account to use. Alright, and that's finalizing your settings. Very excited to see what is going to be the next. Must be very exciting tiles layout and all, which I did mention to all of you. The color schemes are also good. This reminds me my Windows Phone 7. When I got that phone, then initially this was the same layout and same kind of experience on my Windows Phone, but obviously it is not phone, this is proper computer, so this will be better than the phone. And I will not be surprised to see that very soon we can expect some tablets where Windows 8 will be already installed. So many things are happening. We had iPad and then lots of Android tablets, and I don't know if there was any limitation for Windows to install it on the lightweight tablets, not the traditional tablets where you turn your laptop into a tablet like the touch screen and all, but the next generation tablets like iPad and some Android tablets like Samsung Galaxy. So we can expect some similar tablets from different vendors where Windows 8 would be already installed. So for people who are very familiar with Windows, they might like the Windows based tablets. So preparation is taking time, so probably I don't know if, all right, so might be the profile and all other data would be downloaded, so probably it is bringing information from my live account. Okay, let's see what's going on. So let's pause the video again to see. Oh, what is this? Okay, so all right, things are going on. Windows desktop update, personalized settings, browser customizations. So lots of things are going on. So it looks like that Windows 8 will give you very personal experience where you will get all your favorites, all your, what you like, what you don't, all the bookmarks, all the social network things. So whatever will be saved in your live account or against your live account, so that might be available there. So this is the first screen you can see. Yeah, it looks very similar to Windows Phone. You can see all the, this Internet Explorer, which is the same as your Windows Phone, and the store icon where you can expect applications to be downloaded. You can buy application, you can download it from there. So it looks like very controlled way where you need to, get everything from proper sources, and all the applications should be certified and authenticated. The build option. So you can see all the stories of building the Windows 8 behind it, all the tips and tricks, the socialite, the control panel, Windows Explorer, desktop, news, stocks, and you can scroll and you can see the tools and utilities. You can see the Visual Studio 11 Express is already pre-installed because it is developer preview. Microsoft Expression Blend 5 is already there, so you can expect lots of enhancement in the Blend 5, because Blend 4 itself is very good and powerful. Developer command prompt is there. The computer option is there where you can go and see your Windows Explorer to see the computer. Remote desktop is there. You can open some remote machine from here. Okay, and remote debugger is there. Task manager. Let's see if okay. All right. So there are a couple of other things. Seems like that there are lots of games. Yeah, pick a stream. I don't know what is that, but this might take some time to explore all of these options. Memories, your life book. You can create some kind of a scratch book or something like that. Sudoku, check, aircraft, copper. So all of the most used things, which is kind of trend and being used by lots of people. So these are already there, and still it is the developer preview. So you can expect a lot more in the actual Windows. This is a desktop. You click on the desktop, so you can see a proper desktop. You click on a start menu and you will see all the menus and options. Yeah, so let's increase the resolution a little more. Okay, so the resolution is 800 600. Let's make it 1024 and 768. There is no custom options, so if we will choose something like this 1152 at 64 or something, then we might not be able to see the taskbar and all. So this seems to be the practical. And okay, now it looks better. Okay, all right. So the first thing which I am very tempted to use is, let's go to Socialite. This is the application which is okay. So the first thing is that it is trying to take you to Facebook. So put your Facebook credential, my Facebook account. Yeah, it is signing in to Facebook. So this is the news feed. You can see all the usual options: news feed, profile, photos, all the options. It looks really cool. This is just awesome experience. You can, Facebook itself is very addictive thing, and most of the people nowadays, they spend lots of time on Facebook and social networks. And now you see, if you will get this kind of interface and experience, then I must say that it is going to be more time we are going to spend on social network. It's so cool. All right, so click on the profile. Okay, and then it is displaying all my timeline on the Facebook, and the option to put something there. Yeah, so you can type something, and preparing the installation steps and for my blog, yeah, or probably you can write, yeah, it is really cool to use Windows 8. And you can see the interface, it looks like it is, I mean, giving the experience and feel which you can uh, put in your application by using WPF. Very nice slick layout. Yeah, so that's gone. It's easy. You go back to the previous page. Okay, so downloaded my profile photo and all. Alright, so how to go back to my, okay, click on the icon, nothing is there, so it's just bringing the options of the Facebook. So let's click on the start button of the Windows key and you're back on the desktop. So lots of options are there. Yeah, now you socialite. See the style. I just going to love this because this is similar to my Windows phone. You can see photos of your friends. So this is actual live tiles where you can expect these things are changing, and you can click and see what's going on. The store is there. Windows Explorer, Internet Explorer is there, which is the latest version. i8 is there, which allows you to build lots of powerful applications using HTML5, which supports sockets and lots of the powerful things. So basically you can just develop apps and you don't have to install. It will be kind of cloud experience everywhere, just lightweight front end. Oh, what happened? Looks like that the Internet Explorer was crashed. Okay, so this is the Internet Explorer. Now type www.google.com. Okay, so that's Google, you see. So this is the browser, and now you see msdn.com. Let's see how msdn looks like there. See, it's just excellent. So basically msdn and other ms sites, they are also changed, and everywhere you can see the same kind of experience. Oh, it's really cool. Right, so that is the installation of Windows 7. Yeah, and now this is the task manager. I will again blog about a couple of other options and my experience about Windows 7. Sorry, I'm keep telling that it is Windows 7, but it is Windows 8 actually. So I will do some more video. I will prepare a video and put it later on. So I think this time just ending here because the video is getting bigger and bigger. All right, thank you.